Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to install extensions or add-ons in Arc browser on Windows 11 PC. For your information only, Arc browser is now available for Windows 11 also. Earlier it was available for Mac PC only. Now you can install and use Arc browser on Windows 11 too. To install extensions on your Arc browser, first open the Arc browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one settings icon in the left side of the Arc browser and hover mouse over extensions and then click on this one add extension option. In the extension page, you will see Chrome Web Store is opened. Search for any add-ons you like to install, such as AdBlock. Then click on the extension you would like to install, and then you need to click on this one Add to Chrome button. Just click on this one Add to Chrome button. Again, click on this one Add Extension button to install it on your Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC. It will automatically, after clicking on this one add to Chrome button, it will automatically download and install the selected add-on on your Arc browser. Once the add-on is installed, you can use your particular add-on on your Windows 11 PC in Arc browser. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel Geared Up Windows, kindly subscribe it. And if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.